everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm super excited to have you here today.
And I'm David. We're thrilled you're joining us. If you're cozy on your couch, walking your dog, or chilling in a cafe, grab your headphones because we've got an awesome episode lined up.
Today's topic: how to talk about yourself in English. It's like unlocking the door to new friends, jobs, or even fun chats online. We'll make it easy, fun, and super relatable. No boring lectures here.
Yep. Imagine you're at a party and someone says, "Tell me about yourself." No sweat. We'll guide you step by step. And hey, listeners, think about your own story as we go. It'll make this even better.
Stick with us till the end for some cool surprises, like a quick quiz, and our favorite listener tips. Let's dive in. Okay, let's kick things off with the basics: greetings and names. This is where every conversation starts, right? It's like saying hello to a new adventure.
Totally. When you meet someone, keep it simple and smiley. Say, "Hi, I'm Emma," or "Hello, my name is David. Nice to meet you."
Why, nice to meet you. It's friendly and makes the other person feel good. Let's role play. Pretend I'm a new classmate.
"Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?" "Hey, Emma, I'm David. Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you too. See? Easy peasy. Listeners, pause right now and say your name out loud like that. Hi, I'm your name. Feels good, doesn't it?
And if you're shy, that's okay. Start with a wave or a smile. In English-speaking countries, people love a warm hello. It's like a hug with words.
Fun fact: in some places like the UK, they might say, all right, instead of hi. But stick to basics for now. Ready for more?
Next up, where you're from. This tells people a bit about your world. It's relatable because everyone has a home story.
Right. Say, I'm from India, or I'm from Mexico, but I live in Canada now. Add your city for extra flavor. I'm from Delhi, India.
I love this part because it sparks questions. Like if I say, "I'm from the U.S., is from a small town in Texas," someone might ask about cowboys or barbecues.
Ha ha ha, true. Let's make it personal. Emma, I'm from Canada, where it snows a lot. What about you, David?
I'm originally from the U.S., but I moved to London for work. It's rainy here, but I love the tea.
Listeners, think about your place. Is it sunny, busy, quiet? Try saying, I'm from. And it's. Share on our socials if you want. We'd love to hear.
If you've moved, say, "I'm from," but I live in. Now it shows your journey. Cool, huh?
Now, age and birthday. Don't worry. We won't make you spill if you don't want to. It's optional, but fun and casual chats.
Say, "I'm 22 years old," or just "I'm 25. For birthday, my birthday is on June 5th, or "I was born in 2000.
Why share? It can lead to zodiac fun or party stories. But in job interviews, skip age unless asked.
Personal story. My birthday is in summer, so I always had pool parties as a kid. Made me love sharing it.
Aw, cute. Listeners, if you're comfy, Whisper your age to yourself in English. I'm age years old. Feels grown up, right?
And remember, in English, we say dates like June 5th, not 5th of June everywhere. Small tip to sound natural.
Family time. This makes you relatable. Everyone has family tales, funny or sweet.
Keep it simple. There are 4 people in my family. I live with my parents and sister. I have 1 brother.
If married, I'm married with 2 kids. Single, I'm single and live alone. No pressure. Share what feels good.
My family is big and noisy. We argue over dinner but laugh a lot. What's yours like?
Mine's small. Just me, parents, and a dog who thinks he's the boss. Haha. Listeners, picture your family. Say, I have number siblings.
My sister is my best friend. We watch movies together. It turns facts into stories.
Quiz time. Quick. How do you say younger brother? Pause and think. Yes, I have a younger brother. Good job.
Studies or work, this is where you shine. It shows what you do every day.
Student? I'm a student at ABC University. I study English worker. I'm a teacher. I work in a hospital.
No job? I'm looking for one. Or I'm between jobs. Honest and okay.
My story. I studied psychology. It helped me understand people better. Now I podcast.
I teach English because I love seeing students light up when they get it. Relatable? Think of your dream job.
Role play. Emma. What do you do? David. I'm an English teacher. How about you?
Listeners, practice I'm a. Add why you like it for interest.
Tip. Use a before jobs. A doctor, not doctor. Makes you sound pro. Hobbies. This is the fun zone where you connect over shared loves.
Say, I like reading books. I love watching movies, especially comedies. Add details.
Why details? I enjoy cooking Italian food. Pasta is my fave. Makes it lively.
My hobby, playing guitar. I once played at a friend's wedding. Nerves everywhere, but fun.
I paint. It relaxes me after a long day. Listeners, what's yours? Say it. I like. Because
Fun fact, hobbies in English can lead to clubs or friends, like book clubs.
imagine telling a new friend your hobby. Practice now.
Daily routine, paint a picture of your day. Optional but relatable.
I wake up early and go for a walk. I spend my day at work, then relax with TV.
My routine, coffee first, teach, then hike, keeps me energized.
Mine, yoga in morning, study, evening chats with friends, simple joys.
Listeners, describe your morning. I usually helps practice present tense.
Tip. Use usually or often for habits. Sounds natural. Personality. Show your true colors.
I'm friendly. I'm a bit shy but curious. Use kind of for real talk. I'm kind of talkative.
I'm creative and bubbly. Love new ideas.
I'm easygoing. Go with the flow. Relatable story. Once I was shy at a party, but said I'm a bit quiet and made friends.
Listeners, pick one trait. I'm. Own it.
English speakers use emojis in texts like a smiling face with a smiling face. For friendly, small talk, keep the chat alive.
Ask, what about you? Where are you from? What do you do?
It shows interest. It's like passing a ball in a game.
Example. After intro, cool. What's your hobby?
Listeners think after hearing mine, what would you ask?
Time to mix it. Full intro example.
Hi, I'm David from the US, 25 English teacher. Family of 4, love guitar and hiking. Easygoing guy.
Hi, I'm Emma, 23, from Canada in London. Student in psychology, family of 4 plus dog. Paint and music fan, friendly and creative.
Now you. Pause, record your full intro on your phone. Play it back. You'll sound great.
Add your twist. Make it yours. Mistakes happen. We all make them.
Say, I'm from Delhi, India, not I am from India City, Delhi. I'm a teacher, not I'm teacher. My hobbies are, not is.
Even natives slip.
Quiz, fix I live in New York City. Answer, I live in New York. Tips, practice in mirror, record yourself, use in real life.
Be you. Relax, smile. English is about connection.
Surprise! Send us your intro recording via email. We might feature it next episode.
Thanks for staying. You're awesome. Bye. Keep shining.